All right, to get started, we're going to go over to the Create a Website button. I'm going to click that, and it's going to take you to the template selection page. We update these templates, so you'll see these change over time as the websites get better. But for this example, we're going to be using the blank template here. Once you click that, it's going to take you to a page where you can log in and put in your information, and then it's going to take you to this web builder here. It's a simple, easy to use web builder that's drag and drop, similar to what you would find on a Wix web builder or Squarespace. If you want to add something to your website, you can just go over to the widget section, and you can see here we have text, image, icons. There's a bunch of different widgets that you can choose from, and then whenever you want something on the page, you just drag and drop it, and you can edit it any way you'd like. The cool thing about building a website with Yobo is that you can add sections that are pre-designed and pre-built. All you need to do is just click the Add Section button, and on the left it's going to pull up a menu of all the different pre-designed sections that you can add to your website. So you can see the categories here: header, intro, coming soon, features, about, logos. What we're going to do is actually get started with the intro section. I'm going to select one of these pre-designed sections here to add on my website. Let's choose this one. And the cool thing is that you can also go through each one of the sections just by clicking the left arrow or the right arrow. So it's just a neat way for you to kind of see what it looks like on the page without having to keep dragging each one individually. Now I need to move this section up. So what I'm going to do is select the section that above this and by hitting the gear, and then you just hit the arrow to move it down. And there you go. We have our first section up on our website, and I just need to deselect from this section just by clicking this button here. And at the top here we have the navigation, and then also the list of the pages on our website, the different screen sizes for our website. And I want to make a note here that as you design, make sure that you are actually going to the other screen sizes of your website so that you can edit them, because the designs that you make on the bigger screen on a desktop version won't always switch over to the tablet or the phone version. So just keep an eye out for that. But what we're going to do now is speed up this design process. And while I speed up this design process, I'm going to tell you guys a few of the things that you want to have on your website that's very important to have an effective and successful website that will help you grow your business. So the first thing I want to share with you guys is that you don't want to have a very complicated and overwhelming website. You want to have something simple that has all the information that you need to let the person that's visiting your website know, and make it as simple as possible and as easy for them to navigate as possible. Essentially, what you're trying to build is a landing page. It's a funnel that basically takes all of the visitors that are coming to your website, and it's trying to convert as many of those visitors as possible into paying customers. That's the most important thing that you want coming from your website. Having said that, these are the pages that I like to have on my website, and I like to keep it very simple. Just my home page or landing page, my services page, and then my about page. On the navigation, you'll see two other links. One that says Get Quote and another that says Client Portal. Both of these links get redirected back to your Yobo page. One goes for the Yobo booking page, and then the other would go to the Client Portal. The Client Portal is actually a new feature that we've developed that allows your customers to go and see their information and make payments directly to you. And it makes the lives of your customers much easier by taking out the friction that so many businesses have in their operations. And by having these two very important links on your website, it just makes everything in your business much smoother, builds good systems that allows you to scale and grow without having more headaches and more problems along the way. Now here are the sections that I like to have on my homepage or landing page. And number one is my list of services. Number two is a simple and small about section about our business. Number three is a frequently asked questions section. That's very important. And then number 4, a call to action. Number 5 is your features or benefits section, where you'll list out the benefits that the visitor or the customer gets from doing business with you. So you can say things like, there's a happiness guaranteed, or employees that are trained and they have been background checked. Those type of things that people want to know right up front, and they're like the selling points for your business. You want to let people know about those. Your call to action is the most important, and it's usually going to look like a button that says get quote now, and you want as many people as possible clicking on that button to be converted into a lead or a possible paying customer. You just want a way for you to collect their information, and you do that by having that call to action on your website. And you're not going to have it just once, but you would like to have it in several different sections or several different ways to get to that call to action through your website, so that you're building that kind of that funnel that as they scroll through your website, they have plenty of opportunities to click on a button that takes them into generating a lead. So those are just some tips that I wanted to share with you guys on how to create a website that is going to be effective and powerful to actually grow your business and transform or convert those visitors that you get on a daily basis into leads, so that you can collect their information. Because even if they don't buy when they're on your website, that at that moment, maybe they can become a paying customer later on, and you can market to them. So that's why it's really important that you have these call to actions, a website that can convert those visitors into leads. And that's what Yobo does. That's the magic of Yobo. And so I'm going to finish designing this. If you want to skip forward to the end where it's already finished, but I'm going to finish designing this website here, and then show you guys what kind of the homepage or landing page structure is going to look like. we go. This is the finished product. As you can see, I have pretty much designed all the full structure of the website here. So we have the intro, right then we have our services, list of services. We have the feature section, right here with just some benefits customers get, the frequently asked questions section, and I have my footer here at the bottom. And remember that I didn't design any of these sections. They're all drag and dropped, they're pre-designed, and all I did was just change the information on it to reflect what I wanted to say. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comment section. I like to read those, and then I can answer you as well. If you don't have a website, you can use Yobo to build your website, but if you already have a website, you can also use Yobo and integrate it with your existing website. But that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.